Hi friends, today I'll be explaining you about welding position as per ASME section 9. First of all, let me explain what is 1G, 2G. You may have heard that 1G, 2G, 3G, 1F, 4F, 2F, 3F. So that G refer to groove, that is groove of the weld joint, and F refer to fillet joint. Okay, so 1G means flat position. This is the flat position. 2G means plate vertical, axis of weld is horizontal. But in case of 1G, plate and axis of weld both are horizontal. 2G is plate vertical, axis of weld is horizontal. 3G, flat position, plate is vertical, axis of weld also vertical. And 4G refer to overhead position, plate and axis of weld both are horizontal. So as I explained, 1G or 1F. 1F refer to fillet joint, 1G refer to butt joint. So you can see this is the welder position. So this is the welder position he is using. So this is the welder position he is doing fillet joint. So you can see from here he is doing the fillet joint. So this is referred to 1F position. And this is 2G. This is, you can see, this is the groove weld. So they had made the groove, that is V groove. They had single V they had made, and the welder axis is the horizontal. So this is 2G and 3G. This 3G is vertical towards welding towards vertical. So this is also groove welding, and the welder's welding is towards vertical position. And 4G is the overhead position. You can see the welder is doing the welding forehead position. So this is the welding plate, and here he is doing the welding. So this is 4G, and here 1F, 2F, 3F, and 4F. You can see this is the fillet joint. Here he is doing the welding. So axis of weld and the plate is horizontal. Here 2F also horizontal only, and vertical 3F is vertical. Axis of weld is vertical, and 4F is overhead position. The axis of the weld also it is horizontal but overhead position. And next is piping. In piping position also it is comes under 1G, 2G, 5G and 6G. So here there is no 3G, 4G. So for flat one, this they had made the groove, and this is the welding portion. This is the welding portion. This is the groove they had made. So this axis of cylinder, there is pipe. It is horizontal. Pipe shall be turned while welding. So we have to rotate this pipe during welding, and the electrode will be the stationary. So this is called 1G position. 2G, axis of the cylinder is vertical. So axis of the cylinder is vertical, and this welder will be doing welding like this, horizontal. So axis of the cylinder is vertical and welding is done like this, so horizontal position. This is called 2G. Pipe position, that is 5G, horizontal fixed. Matlab, axis of the cylinder horizontal, this is the horizontal. Pipe shall not rotate. Matlab, pipe will not be rotate or rolled while welding. So the welder has to do the welding like this and like this. The pipe will be the stationary part, and the welder has to move around the pipe to do the welding. And 6D position. In 6D position, the position of the pipe will be kept 45 degree. This 45 degree. Yes, the pipe has to be kept. The axis of weld will be 45 and allowable is 45 plus or minus 5 degree. So this is 6D welding and pipe will be the stationary. Welder has to move all around to do this welding. Let me explain with the photographs. As you can see, this is the 6D position. The axis of the weld is like this 45 degree they had maintained, and the pipe will be stationary and welder will be moving all around to do the welding. So this is called 6D position welding. Hope you understand all the position of the welding. Thank you.